If you want to have a first layer like this on your Anycubic Kobra 3 or Kobra S1, this is video for you. Here we are doing a first layer with 0.2 height. You can see that it looks like a sheet of paper. It is perfect. But to get this result, you need to do this. First of all, when you start printing some test print like this, you want to start printer, let it go and go into the settings, the offset, and see what the offset you have, because this is really important to know. Mine is usually 0.12 or 0.15, and depending of that, you should add additional setting in your slicer. I'm going to show you that soon. Easy way to do what setting you need to input in your slicer to correct the problem you have here is, let's say you have a 0.15, or it doesn't matter, you have 0.12, but then you probably will have a perfect first layers like me. But even that doesn't matter, because every machine have some variations in hardware, so this may not be a perfect setting for you. What you want to check, if you don't have a good layer adhesion, you need to lower down the nozzle. If you have too much squish and scratching, you need to put the nozzle up. It is that simple. To check how much you need to do a correction, you can do it here. Let's say you have a scrapping, raise the nozzle here by pressing this button, or if you have a poor layer adhesion and you see the lines not adhering one to each other, you put down the nozzle with this button here. And let's say you have 0.12 and you don't have a good layer adhesion, you start by lowering the nozzle with this button here. You click only once and see the distance lowers, and you check the lines. You wait printer to go a few lines and see what is happening. If poor layer adhesion continues, you keep lowering the nozzle step by step until you see that it is perfect. When it is perfect, you hit the cancel button. You don't want to save this setting here, but you remember I was on 0.12, and let's say you did a 4-5 clicks, that is minus 0.05. You remember that number. In slicer, you're gonna choose a printer, click edit. Under the basic information there is a Z offset field. In this case I'm using minus 0.05, which will lower the nozzle for set amount. If you want to raise the nozzle, you don't use a minus. And this value will rise or lower the nozzle on top of printer's predefined value, which sensor gauge finds. So you really need to be careful with this, because if you put, let's say, a wrong value of minus 5 millimeters, you can scratch your bed and really do a hardware damage to your printer. So be really careful with these settings. If you do everything properly, you will get something like this. The first layer started peeling off because the plate did cool down, but as you can see, we got a perfect sheet without any defect. It is this is a back side. Just look at it. There is a beautiful grippy texture, and on this side we have a shiny part. We have a bit of scrapping here, but for full plate print, this looks really beautiful. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Share your experience with Kobra 3 if you managed to fix your adhesion problems, first layer problems, or anything else. Subscribe, and until next time, see ya.